any of your barcode thermal printer, if the print is not coming in sharp, we can fix it under 3 minutes. Just watch this video. Here you can see this print which is KMC, this is broken, number 8 is broken, and this barcode lines also you can find that there is so many broken lines are there, it is not coming in sharp. See this ATA, A is not in sharp. We can fix it, there is 3 steps is there. Step number 1 is this, go to the control panel. And here you can see this hardware and sound. Go to hardware and sound. There is a devices and printers. You can see this your printer icon over there. Right click on that and printing preferences. Go to the graphics sections. In the graphics sections, make sure this is in none, not in any other graphics mode. Make it none so that it will be more darker. And in the options, you can see over here, there is, you can tick, there is a, by default it is by tick. You can untick that one and increase the darkness little bit and reduce the print speed. So it will be more accurate and the printer head can, understand. Again, go to the, printer defaults. Here also you can make that same changes what we have done in printer preferences. You decrease the speed and do like this. So again, you can print it and you will find there is much improvement on the print quality. Let's have a print preview and we will do print as well. See, this is the one new print which is coming right now. Now we can see the print sharpness and darkness is extremely strong. If it is over dark, you can reduce this one, where we increase the darkness. You can make it a little bit less so that it will be more and more accurate as per your requirement. There is step number 2. If it is not, again, print is not sharp, you can open the printer like that. You can take one cotton cloth like this, open the printer head. This is the printer head you can see over here. See this portion. If there is some dirty particles or like for example dust particles or something is there, and for example jelly type items something is there, you can clean it. You can use normal spirit as well to clean it properly. You can clean this area properly. This is the printer head. Final step is that the step number 3 is that your wax roll, means the ribbon rolls. Always purchase branded wax ribbons for label printing, and so that you will not face any kind of issues. Always it should be new. And enjoy. Thank you so much. Bye bye.